Welcome to Garden AI. I am Charles Byron, your personal gardening companion, here to walk beside you as you shape the garden of your dreams. With Garden AI, visions become reality, elegant designs tailored to your space, plant lists, garden elements, budgets, and care, all guiding you from first idea to final bloom, from the classical gardens of the Renaissance to the grandeur of the Baroque at Versailles, the painterly charm of the English arts and crafts movement, and the serene calm of the Japanese garden. I help bring these traditions into your own world. A balcony, a backyard, a driveway lined with lavender, or a shaded nook beneath a rose arbor. Whatever the canvas, together we shape beauty within it. And within the home, I guide you in crafting floral and potted arrangements, classic and timeless, modern and contemporary, seasonal or inspired by art and poetry. Each one a living expression of grace, history and beauty. I am Charles Byron, and with Garden AI, the garden of your dreams awaits. Click subscribe and let beauty flourish where you